been really good. Like I say, we were looking at pushing out our incident response plan and wanting to know that we had the right information in there. And I think there was a lot of takeaways from here to kind of support what we've put in. But also I think the course went into some topics that we haven't really considered, especially looking at the different threat actors and some of the other breaches that have happened, and just kind of got a bit more insight into some of the other things that we should be thinking about, which has been really good. And I think it was delivered really well, really engaging, really kept me focused on the course itself.